Kesimavsuk rut parovchaz, yishraz, khatsir khene son sala savaz, khatsir khat kota khoshi div, yishraz, chon anugreh ruzin espet pratviz. Namaskar, Kesamavasya Abhinandan to all the Biradari members, which falls on the 2nd January 2022 this year. When we turn the pages of the Nilmat Puran, we come across a very beautiful expression of Vitasta. Vitasta in perception is the river, but the same Vitasta is the mother goddess Parvati, incarnated as a great water resource to Satisar, the valley of Kashmir. The word Sati is the grand expression of the Purna Prakriti, as described in the Sankhya philosophy and the Kashmir Trikadarshan, known popularly as Kashmir Shaivism. The philosophic ethos of the Kashmiri Pandit heritage is linked with the Vedic mandalas and the Agamic yantras, firmly based on the hard bedrock of the Shaivistic and Shakti tantras. So, our journey to the spiritual consciousness goes through rituals which carry the Vedic mandalas and the Agamic yantras. Let us see how it works. Ancient Kashmir has viewed nature as a spiritual boon to the humanity. This has subscribed to many festivals, many fears, and many rituals. Here I shall try to explain to my future generation the symbolic meaning covering the philosophic interpretation of the Khichmavas in Kashmir. Why khichdi? Khichdi is prepared with rice and moong, known as Phalasus mungo in English. The Sanskrit word for rice is akshat. Rice is therefore the boon from divine for our sustenance, being the life force for our survival. Whatever we eat for our life force needs to be offered as the Nevedya offerings to the divine. This is reference to Mudga, Moong, Mong in the Yajurved. When we pray Shiva as Pashupati, we ask him to give us plenty of Moong as well. Moong is with the greenish color, which is the manifestation of Shakambari Devi as revealed by Mahamaya herself in the Uttar Charitra, third episode of the Durga Saptashati. Akshat is Brahman, absolute truth of the Upanishads, and Moong is manifested Prakriti. Khichdi is the synthesis of the Brahman of the Upanishads with the Prakriti of the Kashmir Trika philosophy, read with the Unadivriti commentary on the Darshan Sutras. This is known as the Shiva Shakti Tattva or Shiva Shakti Ekrupni in the Shakta philosophy of Kashmir. About Mavas Amavasya. Amavasya is a combination of Ama and Vasya. According to the rules of Sanskrit grammar, Ama in the Vedic literature means to have or take with oneself. Vasya means to love, to rest upon, to lodge, to receive hospitality as a guest. The day is dedicated to Kubera, one of the forms of Lord Shiva, the guardian deity of the celestial treasure. Therefore, our ancestors thought it mandatory to receive the celestial treasurer with khichdi as it suits to the freezing cold of Kashmir. This is the philosophic approach to celebrate the Khichmavas with ritual. Ritual or rite in Kashmiri are developed with the concentration on the spiritual significance on the sacred hour, or as the Jyotish astronomical studies say, wood as the divine hour of Godhead. From the Artha economical consideration, Kubera is invoked for progress and prosperity on this auspicious night. An adoration for our heritage can be seen through these Hindi lines. हो अभिनंदन कश्मीर के संत आत्माओं को जिन्होंने विस्थापन में भी अपनी शक्ति परंपराओं को सुनिश्चित बना दिया। अपने दृढ़ संकल्पों से। उनको शत शत बार प्रणाम जिन्होंने रीति से अनुप्रेरित किया पूर्वजों की तिथि को। धन्यवाद।